One of the important aspects of human existence is to constantly remember the Lord and to stay connected to Him. Each time you forget God, you stay disconnected to Him, you fail to depend upon Him, there is a possibility that you would ultimately face distraction. Isaiah chapter 17 verse 10 and 11 says that you might be getting the best plant and you might be taking the best care, but instead of flourishing and prospering and yielding well, you might have the harvest in ruin. The simple thing is, don't depend upon your intelligences and upon yourself completely. Well, that is important. You need to depend upon God and be blessed.